Hare Krishna, everyone. Now I will be singing a very beautiful Vaishnav song named Vibhavari Shesha, composed by Bhakti Vinod Thakur, great Acharya from our Parampara. It is from the book Kalyana Kalpataru. Here, Bhakti Vinod Thakur pleads everyone to get up early in the morning and engage our mind in Lord Krishna related activities. So listen to this wonderful song so that later on you can practice. Vibhavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidrachari Utho Jiva Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari Rama Krishna Hayagriva Narasimha Vamana Shri Madhusudana Brajendra Nandana Shyama Putana Ghatana Kaitabhasa Shatana Jayada Sharati Rama Vibhavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidrachari Utho Jiva Yashoda Dulala Govinda Gopala Vrindavana Purandara Gopi Priya Jana Radhika Ramana Bhuvana Sundara Bara Vrindavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidrachari Utho Jiva Ravanantakara Makhanata Taskara Gopi Jana Vastrahari Brajera Rakhala Gopavrinda Pala Chittahari Bamshidari Vibhavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidrachari Utho Jiva Yogindra Bandana Srinanda Nandana Brajajana Bhaya Hari Navina Nirada Rupa Manohara Mohana Bamshi Bihari Vibhavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidrachari Utho Jiva Yashodanandana Kamsani Sudana Nikunjara Savilasi Kadamba Kanana Rasaparayana Brinda Vipina Nivasi Brindavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidrachari Utho Jiva Anandavardhana Premaniketana Pulashara Jojaka Kama Gopangana Gana Chitta Vinodana Samasta Guna Gana Dhamma Vrinda Vibhavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidrachari Utho Jiva Jamuna Jivana केली पारायण मन मानस चंद्र चकोर नाम सुधारस गाओ कृष्ण जशा राखो राखो वचन मन मोर विभावरी शेष आलोक प्रवेश निद्राचारी उठो जीव बोलो हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हयग्रीव विभावरी शेष आलोक प्रवेश निद्राचारी उठो जीव हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 रामा राम राम